I'm just simply asking you, what is this little pyramidal structure inside of the kidney? Remember, the little lines that go between these pyramids are called the renal columns, and I might say that this is the renal pelvis, the ureters going down to the bladder. By the way, you can also see the aorta, and you can see how it bifurcates to form the right and left common iliacs. You can actually see where the internal iliacs kind of plunge inward right here about where the ureters cross. Looks like I can see a celiac trunk, a superior mesenteric orifice, and then an inferior mesenteric artery orifice as well. Anyhow, that's a little look-see around the picture, mates. Adrenal gland sitting on top of the kidney. Tell me, what is 4?